For today's video, we're going to make a new handle for my arbor press. This cheesy knob's got to go. For material, I've chosen, I think it was sold to me as brass at the scrapyard, but to me it looks more like some sort of bronze. Either way, it'll look good. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and finish it up on the bandsaw. We did a quick wardrobe change here. Swapped out the 3-jaw for the collet chuck, and we're going to go ahead and give it a face, chamfer both edges, and then we're going to go over to the mill and add some grips. Alright, so what we have going on here, our part is held in a 5C collet, which is held in a hex collet holder in the vise. So ideally what we're going to do, we're going to probably end up having to make 2 passes and rotate it 6 times and get 6 cuts, and that'll give us our finger grooves. Here we go. Alright, not too bad. Let's repeat that process. All right, I think that's good. A little deburr. I think we'll be good to go. Without further ado, roll the sexy knob footage.